desire a society replete with resources, freedom of creativity in expression, peace and happiness. How will that be realized when we are living in a world where we're destroying the future of millions of children through malnutrition, child labor? We live in a constant threat of extinction because of rampant air pollution, deforestation, and weapons of mass destruction. Who is going to do anything? You, the generation of today. Don't be commentators. Be socially active. If you don't, you risk the very existence of humanity. Change the world. Change the discourse. Raise the level of social consciousness. Let me tell you about theatre. A medium that teaches us, moves us, and even at times galvanizes us. A medium that highlights the problems that confront society. Orion's Theatre and Social Consciousness, TASC, is an opportunity to understand and highlight prevalent social issues to produce an act involving underprivileged children. TASC helps you build leadership, critical thinking, and collaboration skills. Each aspect of theatre production is a creative learning opportunity. Are you ready to spark a revolution for change?